Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the code which is used to find the distance between two points where one point is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2. Let us see the code. So here we are using Python IDLE. Already we discussed how to use Python IDLE. We know that the general formula to find the distance between two points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To implement the square root, we have the method sqrt, meaning is square root, and the method is available in the package math. So if you want to implement square root in your program, you must import the package math. That's why we are writing the first statement, import math. Then so here we are prompting the user to enter x1 value, y1 value, in the same way x2 and y2 values. So here we are writing the prompting message like enter the x coordinate of the first point. User will enter some value. I want to convert into float. If you want to convert into the integer also, you can do that. Float and assigning the variable x1. In the same way, prompt the y coordinate for the first point and convert into the float and assigning into the y1. Already we covered why we need to implement conversion here, because the return type of the input method is string type. So if you want to store those values as numbers, you must convert into the required data type, that may be int or float depending on your requirement. In the same way, ask the user to enter the x coordinate of the second point and y coordinate of the second point, storing those into x2 and y2 respectively. Now we have the values x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then substitute these values in the formula. What is that formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First see here, x2 minus x1 whole square. Already we covered in one of our videos two star symbols, that is called exponent operator. The meaning of this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we use square root now. As we discussed, square root method is available in the math package. So we need to write here math dot square root and within the outer parenthesis x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the distance between two points is calculated and stored in the variable distance. In Python, print is the output method. Print open parenthesis within the double quotes you can write text, required text. The distance between the points is, comma, write the variable name in which variable the result is available. Let us execute this. Go to run, click on run module, click on OK. Now see, enter x coordinate of the first point. Let me enter as 2. Enter the y coordinate of the first point. Let me enter 6. Hit enter button. Enter the x coordinate of the second point. Let me enter 4. Enter the y coordinate of the second point and let me enter 8. Then hit enter button. Now see, the output is the distance between the points is 2.8284 and so on. This is how to write the code which is used to find the distance between two points. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, share the video, like the videos. Thank you.